What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to take a comparison between the MediaTek Dimensity 700 and the MediaTek Dimensity 800. And if you're liking this series of processor comparison, then subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom and also hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So starting off with the launch date, the Dimensity 700 was launched on the April 2021, which is the recent one, and the MediaTek 800U was launched on May 2020. Now moving on to the CPU architecture, then the MediaTek 700 has an ARM octa-core processor, whereas the 800U also has an octa-core ARM processor, which is based on that. Now if we talk about the core performance of the CPUs on which their performance is based, then the 700U has a 2 of ARM Cortex A76 of powerhouse or at 2.2 GHz and 6 cores of Cortex A55 at 2 GHz. Now if we talk about the 800U, then it has a 2 cores of ARM Cortex A76, same as the 700 but at 2.4 GHz of rate, whereas the 6 cores at 2.0 GHz Cortex A55. Now if we talk about the processor fabrication, which is the size of the processor, then the 700 is of 7nm processor, whereas the 800U is also a 7nm processor. So in terms of the power consumption, both of the processors should remain at the near same point. Now if we talk about the GPU performance, then the MediaTek Dimensity 700U comes with an ARM Mali G57 MC2 GPU, and the 800 has an ARM Mali G57 MC3 GPU. On the RAM support side, with the maximum RAM they both can support is of up to 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM at 2133 MHz frequency for the 700 5G processor, but with the MediaTek Dimensity 800U is also the same with the 12 GB of RAM. The maximum display support which the processor can support is up to Full HD Plus at 90Hz for the MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G processor, and if we talk about the 800U, then it can also support up to Full HD Plus at 90Hz of refresh rate. Also this can also be increased if the refresh rate goes down. Now if we talk about the main part over here, which is the camera support, the maximum camera capacity which of these both of the processor can hold is up to the 64 megapixel of single camera or the 16 plus 16 megapixel of dual camera for the 700 5G processor, and if we talk about the 800U, then it can also hold the 64 megapixel single camera or the 16 megapixel dual camera. Now if we talk about the video compatibility of the maximum resolution which they can shoot video is at 2K at 30 fps and 1080p 120 fps and slow motion at 240 fps for the 700U, and whereas the 800U can support up to 4K at 30 fps. Now if we talk about the connectivity on the Bluetooth side, the 700 5G can support Bluetooth up to 5.1 and also the 800U can also support Bluetooth 5.1. On the 5G modem, the 700 is a 5G processor with sub 6 GHz processor, and the 800U also has a sub 6 processor. Now if we talk about the Wi-Fi, which Wi-Fi they support is the Wi-Fi 5 on both of these processors, which has a Dimensity 700 5G and the Dimensity 800U. Now talking about the fast charging or the quick charging, then the Dimensity 700 also has a Pump Express quick charging, and the 800U also has a Pump Express MediaTek fast charging. On the Antutu scores, closing with the scores of the how fast the processor can handle, then the Dimensity 700 has a 2,95,000 of Antutu scores, and whereas the 800U has a 3,24,000 of Antutu scores. Moving on to the Geekbench scores of these processors, then the MediaTek Dimensity has a speed of single core of 535 and multi-core of 1695. Now if we talk about the Dimensity 800U, then it has a 621 and the multi-core for 1910, which is the faster one when compared to the in case of the Antutu and the Geekbench scores. Now let me know your thoughts on these processor speeds and which smartphone are you planning to buy of these processors, including this processors inside the smartphone. So if you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it already, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.